What's up, guys? Check out the progress he has going on here at the Homewood Freestanding. Almost done with the LVLs, or I think he's done with it. This is where it crosses over. Yeah, pretty much looks like he's done with it. See how it comes up, starts there, goes up, wraps around, and then connects on the second floor. Kind of weird. And then this side, like I was telling you guys, it just attaches to the wall from this point on. Where I think we're gonna have to cut it to be able to transport it, because it's gonna be too long. Starts here, wraps around. Also had to eliminate a step to get the head clearance. The second floor is pretty high, 180 inches, but they dropped down the ceiling 30 inches because of the AC components or the lines. Just fucked everything up. And it crosses right here. So I'm barely at 6 feet 10 inches, I believe, is what the clearance is. I tried to eliminate another step and we couldn't. Reserves are going to be over 7 3/4. And here in California, the maximum is 7 3/4. Right now they're at 7.5. It's going to be an interesting one once we start getting the stringers calculated. We're going to start doing that tomorrow. So stay tuned. Again, this is just a small little progress at Homewood Freestanding. Alright, guys. The guys are out there taking their lunch. That's why it's nice and quiet here right now. Okay. Alright, guys. Check it out, guys. You guys are starting to see the stringer. Look how nice it's starting to look. Flares out here. It curves out over here. I'm halfway done marking the treads and risers, and then at the same time I'm cutting the stringer out. I like to see that coming along, so I'll mark like 14 treads, stop, cut the stringer out, and then continue. There she is. How nice they look. Another massive stringer. I'm already having regrets, and I should have laminated this at the job site. This thing's gonna be a beast. Again, I could cut it, and because from here on it's all wall, so I could bolt that. And then that base at the bottom is gonna help out a lot. And then the bracket we're gonna put down here, but still. Alright, guys, let me get back to it. Just some more progress here at the Homewood Freestanding stairs. Just wanted to show you guys the stringer layout. Alright. What's up, guys? John here with Majestic. Here's the progress on the Homewood Freestanding. Guys are gonna start laminating the outside stringer. The inside stringer not quite ready, but the outside one should be ready today. Got 3 guys hitting it hard. Haven't shown you guys some progress on this one lately. Been really busy trying to finish up these other ones. You got another one going on that's gonna have a slide on the outside. Just signed that one last week. Gonna get the shop drawings out so we can get templates going for that one. But I'm glad to see that this one's coming together. There she is, guys. Too much clutter, you can't really check it out like always, but alright guys, we'll check on later on today, see how much they get done.